Okay, maybe he should just wait for the monster to leave. Jack peeks around the tree. The Tyrannosaurus head wandered closer to the hill. Something caught Jack's eye. Annie was coming down the rope ladder. Was she not? What was she doing? Jack watched Annie hop off the ladder. She went straight to the Pteranodon. She was talking to him. She was flapping her arms. She pointed at Jack, at the sky, at the tree house. She was nuts. Go back up the tree, Jack whispered. Go! Suddenly, Jack heard a roar. The Tyrannosaurus Rex were looking in his direction. Jack hit the ground. The Tyrannosaurus Rex were coming toward the hill. Jack felt the ground shaking. Should he run, crawl back into Dinosaur Valley, climb the magnolia tree? Just then, a giant shadow covered Jack. He looked up. The Pteranodon was gliding overhead. The giant creature sailed down toward the top of the hill. He was coming straight for Jack. Chapter 9. The amazing ride. The Pteranodon closed down to the ground. He stared at Jack with his bright, alert eyes. What was Jack supposed to do? Climb on? But I'm too heavy, thought Jack. Don't think, just do it. Jack looked at the Tyrannosaurus. He was starting up the hill. His giant teeth were flashing in the sunlight. Okay, don't think, just do it. Jack put his book in his pack. Then he eased down onto the Pteranodon's back. He held on tightly. The creature moved forward. He spread out his wings and leaped off the ground.